ZENB Pasta Agile is a new gluten-free, quick-cooking 100% yellow pea pasta. It was developed with a unique precision-cut surface that retains a toothsome al dente texture that makes pasta taste great. So, how do you cook with this amazing new pasta made with the whole legume? Pasta Agile can be added directly to recipes with no pre-cooking or draining required. You add pasta Agile towards the end of cooking. You should plan to use about half a cup of liquid per 1 cup of uncooked pasta, and then cook uncovered for about 2 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Taste it while you're cooking it and pull it from the stove just before it reaches your desired tenderness. And don't forget, you might need to add a little more liquid or increase the cooking time.